Hi, everyone. This is Charlie from Charlie's Garage. As some of you might know, some of you may not know, but YouTube has released the collaboration feature. This has been a long time coming. This means that creators can collaborate with each other. I can host your video on my channel, you can host my video on your channel. But if someone is on my channel, clicks on your video and watches it, you still get the watch hours, you still get the credit for the view, all that good stuff, right? What this does is it allows us to have a much broader reach. I will be able to reach your viewers, your subscribers. You will be able to reach my viewers and my subscribers. This is the best thing YouTube has done to help small creators and specific niches grow in a long time. So I'm sending an open invite out right now. If you are an auto, a diesel, any garage life, do tool stuff. If you are in that automotive diesel technician training realm at all whatsoever, please send me a collaboration request to Charlie's Garage. I will host your video and collaborate with you. All I ask in return is that I'm able to send you one or two of my videos and you return the favor. This is a great way for us to grow. I can't wait to see what kind of success it has. So, and if you haven't started an auto diesel channel, you should right now because this collaboration and being able to work with established channels like mine are things that are going to help you grow at an exponential rate that wasn't available to creators like me who first started. So, this is the time. Get out there and film your project, film your car. You're at work working on a diesel and you're just, hey, this is what I'm doing to the diesel and what's going on with it. That's content that people who are learning about diesels, learning about cars and trucks would love to know about, right? So, and my channel, which they're already watching, and they go, "Hey, this dude's working on a truck. Just watch what he's doing." It's great. So please take advantage of this. Send me a collaboration request. All you got to do is your YouTube studio. You're in your content up at the top. You got the tabs where it says videos and shorts. At the end of that, it says collaborations. You request a collaboration. Type in Charlie's Garage. Pick a video that you want me to host. Share it with me, and I will get it. I will post my email that's attached to my channel in this video description and in the comments so that if you click the share button, you can highlight it, send it to me. I will accept these collaboration requests if it falls into the auto diesel tools and stuff niche, right? What I don't want is a bunch of, hey, I'm making a video about mascara. Can you? No, I'm not going to do that. It's related to what I make videos about. So, hey, I appreciate the time. Please check it out. I think it'll be awesome. Thank you.